Good morning class 4, welcome to the offline class. We were doing chapter number 9 fractions from composite maths, okay, and exercise 29 we have already completed. In exercise 29 it was given different fractions and you have to shade that one, and I think I have told you to do it in the book, okay. And the next question 7 and 8 it was writing in words and writing in figures. The fractions you have to write in numbers, means the fractional name you have to write, and the fraction, the name is given, the fractions you have to write, okay. So this question also we have already completed in our previous class. Today we will start from exercise 30. Exercise 30, the first question, see, write the numerator and denominator of each of the following fractions. You have to write the numerator and denominator of each of the following fractions. As you know, the upper one is called the numerator and the below one is called the denominator. Now see, here it is given 2 by 5. Question number 1A. It is given 2 by 5. So this upper one, this is called the numerator and this is called the denominator. So what you will write? Numerator is equals to 2 and denominator is equals to 5. Number B, 6 by 7. Same way, what you will write? Numerator is equals to 6 and denominator is equals to 7. Similarly, if we are doing number I, it is given 14 by 25. So numerator is equals to 14 and denominator is equals to 25. Okay. So this thing is very easy, you will do it in the book, writing the numerator and the denominator. Okay. Now come to question number 2. Write the fraction in which, now question number 2, the numerator and denominator are given separately. You have to write the fraction, that what will be the fraction. Okay. So let us do number 2. Question number 2, number A. The numerator is given 7, say I am writing in short, it is given 7 and denominator is given 9. So the fraction will be, numerator is given 7, denominator is given 9. So the fraction is 7 by 9. Okay, the fraction is 7 by 9. Similarly, if I am doing number C, in number C, first the denominator is given 5 and then the numerator is given 4. So what you will write? Fraction is equals to 4 by 5, because numerator is 4 and denominator is 5. That is why 4 by 5. Suppose if I am doing number F. Number F, numerator is given 14 and denominator is given 25. So the fraction will be, 14 by 25. Okay. So this way, when the numerator and denominators are given, you can write the fraction, and when the fraction is given, you can write the numerators and denominators. Okay. This is happening in fractions only. Now come to question number 3. Question number 3 is fill in the blank. Now some blanks are given, you have to fill it up. Let us do question number 3. See, in 12 by 13, the dash is 13. In number A, it is given in 12 by 13, the dash is 13. The dash is 13 means denominator is 13. So you will write in the blank, denominator is 13. Okay. Similarly, number B, 9 by 20. the dash is 9. So, you will write the numerator is 9. The numerator is 9. Okay. Number C, 15 by 22. 15 by 22, the numerator is, here the numerator is asking, the numerator is 15. Okay, the numerator is 15. Then in 17 by 28, the denominator is, now the denominator is asking, the denominator is 28. Okay. Similarly, number E, 11 by 19, 11 by 19, the numerator is 11. The numerator is 11 and the denominator is 19. And the denominator is 19. Okay. So, this way you are writing the numerator and denominator. Okay. So, this exercise, it is also very easy. You do it in your copy and book both. In copy and in book both. Okay. Now, come to the next one. Exercise 31. Okay. This is, this exercise you will do with the help of the scale and pencil. Okay. And this exercise, it is very important and it is a tricky exercise. Okay. You have to show the fractions on the number line. Okay, as you know, the line which has numbers, it is called the number line. You have read in class 3. So, same way you have to find out the fractions, or you have to take the fractions in the number line, or you have to draw the fractions in the number line. Okay, so let us start exercise 31. Very carefully you see this. Okay. Question number 1 is given 1 by 3. 1 by 3. Very carefully you see how you will represent 1 by 3. So, it is said that represent each of the following fractions on the number line. You have to represent these fractions on the number line. Okay. It is given 1 by 3. What you will do? First of all, you will draw one line. Okay, you will draw one line and you will write x and y, any 2 points on this line. Suppose I am drawing x and y as line, I have to write the name of the line, isn't it? Suppose I am writing x and y. Okay, this is the name of the line. Now you have to pick up one unit. Suppose I am starting from here. I am starting from here and I am ending here. This is one unit. That means it is up to 1 in the rule, in the part it is up to 1. Okay. And I am mentioning here A, OA, because it is written in your book, OA. Now this OA you have to represent the fraction 1 by 3 in this part OA. Okay, in this part OA you have to mention 1 by 3. How you will mention? See, 1 by 3, that means this OA you have to divide into 3 parts. And from that 3 part, 1 part you have to take. Okay. So, let me divide 1, 2 and 3. Okay. This is 0, 1, 2 and 3. Okay. So, this I have divided into 3 parts. The one unit I have divided into 3 parts. And from this 3 part, I have to represent 1 by 3. That means, this line is 1 by 3. Okay. This line, it is 1 by 3. So, this line represents 1 by 3 of the whole OA or the line XY. Okay. This line, only this much line is the fraction 1 by 3. Okay. Only this much line is the fraction 1 by 3. This way you will do the, or you will represent the numbers in the number line. Clear? Now, let us do number 4, 7 by 9. Number 4, 7 by 9. So, first of all, draw one line. name the line x and y, name the line x, y, then you will take from 0 to a as 1 unit, from 0 to a as 1 unit. Okay. Now, this 0 to a or O to a, you have to divide it to 9 parts, since it is given 7 by 9. You have to divide it in 9 parts. So, let us divide 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay. Now, 7 by 9, that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 up to this. So, 7 by 9 up to this part. That means this you will darken. Okay. This line up to 7 by 9 you will darken, so that it will be clear to you. So, this line 7, this is number B. So, OB represents 7 by 9. OB represents the fraction 7 by 9. Clear? OB represents the fraction 7 by 9. Understood? See, I am drawing here freehand, but you will draw with the help of the pencil and scale, a straight line. Okay, and then you will draw. Let us do one more. Number 6, 6 by 11. Number 6, 6 by 11. By 11 it is given. Number 6 is given, 6 by 11. Okay. So, the same thing you will do. First of all, draw a line. Name the line xy. Then from this you take any OA as 1 unit. Any part of the line OA as 1 unit. Now, this OA will be divided into 11 parts, because here it is written 6 by 11. So, you will divide it into 11 parts. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Now, 6 by 11, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, this one is number B, it is 6 by 11. You will draw like this, 6 by 11. Clear? So, this fraction 6 by 11 is from O to B. That means O to B represents 6 by 11 fraction. O to B represents 6 by 11 fraction. Clear? Let us do number 8. 8, 5 by 12. Number 8, 5 by 12. The same thing. First of all, draw a line x, y, take 0 unit, not 0 unit, take 1 unit. From 0 or O to A is 1 unit. Now, this O to A will be divided in 12 parts. This O to A will be divided in 12 parts. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. And you have to take 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. That means this is B and this is 5 by 12. This line represents 5 by 12. Okay. This O to B, this line represents 5 by 12. Clear? This way you will solve the other questions also. That is number 3, 5, 7, whatever we have left. The other questions also you will solve the same way. Clear? You will solve the same way. Okay. Now come to the next question, number 9. Now, in each of the number lines given below, OA is a line segment of length 1 unit. Now, OA is the line segment. Write the fractions represented by OB. Now, you have to write the fractions which is represented by OB. The same thing. The first in question number 1 to 8 the fractions were given, you have to find the, you have to draw the number line, and from question 9 to 15 the number line is given, you have to write the fractions that what it is representing. Okay, so count it. The first one, 0 to A, it is, sorry, O to A, it is divided in 7 parts. Count it, it is divided in 7 parts. And B is written in the 4th part. That means OB represents 4 by 7. OB represents 4 by 7. Number 9. So OB represents 4 by 7. See, I am just writing the answers. Okay, you count and then you write. Then number 10. Number 10, OA, as you know, it is the line segment, and line segment, it has 8 divisions. Count, it has 8 divisions, and OB represents 5 by 8. It is the 5th one. So OB represents 5 by 8. Then number 11. Number 11, it is divided into 5 parts. It is divided into 5 parts, and B is in 3rd part. So it is 3 by 5. Number 12. Number 12, it is divided into 8 parts. It is divided into 8 parts, and B is in 7th one. So 7 by 8. B is in the 7th part, so it is 7 by 8. Okay. 13, 14 and 15 you will do it of your own. It is very easy, you will do of your own. Okay. So students, today up to this only, we will start the next exercise, that is exercise 32 in our next class. Okay. So bye all of you, and whatever we have done today, you will once more, you will revise in the copy, and specially representing the fractions on the number line. Okay. So do it in the copy, and whatever questions we have left, that you do it as homework. Okay. Bye all of you.